Headed to Taipei soon? Thinking of going on a Gunpla hunting adventure but not sure where to start? Well, you've landed on the perfect video. I'll take you along as I explore some of the best Gunpla spots in Taipei. And if you're from the Philippines like me, get ready. You'll be shocked at how much cheaper the kits are compared to what we see back home in the malls. Stick around until the end to see the kits I scored and exactly how much I paid for them. Let's go! Hey guys, I'm Alex, a Gunpla builder from the Philippines. Whenever I travel, I make it a point to explore the local Gunpla scene. So for this trip to Taipei, I was really excited to see what kind of shops they had. And honestly, I was blown away by what I found. First up, Gundam Base Taipei. If you're coming from Taipei main station, just hop on the Banyan Blue Line towards Nangang Exhibition Center and get off at Zhongxiao Xinseng Station. From there, take exit 1, then walk about 7 to 10 minutes north along Xinseng South Road. That's where you'll find Syntrend Mall, then head straight up to the 6th floor. Here we're greeted with displays like the RG Sazabi Mechanical Clear version and several Gundam Base limited kits. I was eyeing this HG Torohachi, which I think is such a cool kit. They also have the newly released RG Shining Gundam priced at 1050 NTD. Moving along, we see even more Gundam Base exclusives. In this aisle, you'll find the Universal Century and Witch from Mercury HG kits. I paused here for a while to appreciate these massive kits, especially the Penelope. Next up, the MG section, the one I was really looking forward to. You'll see me picking up the MG Sinanju narrative version Ver.Ka. But I ended up putting it back since I felt I could find it cheaper elsewhere. Still, it's amazing just browsing here. Especially because you get to see the beautifully built display models. Here's the RG lineup, though I still lean towards grabbing an MG. And over in this section, you'll find the PG kits. In the end, I didn't buy anything here since I wanted to save for better deals at other stores in Taipei. But honestly, visiting the Gundam base is worth it just to admire all the displays and for the experience. My next stop was the Wan Nian Building, located near the famous Ximending pedestrian area. Luckily, our hotel was nearby, but if you're coming from Taipei main station, just take the Banyan Blue Line towards Dingpu and get off at Ximen Station. From exit 6, walk along Chengdu Road. It's only about 5 minutes. Once inside, head up to the 4th floor. At the first store, I went straight to the MG kits to check out the prices. Here's what I found. MG New Ver.Ka for 1920 NTD, MG Hainu for 2450 NTD, MG Virtue for 2199 NTD, MG SD Freedom for 1699 NTD, HG Red Gundam for 900 NTD. I'll pause the video here so you can clearly see the prices. I also spotted an MG Wing Zero for 1040 NTD and the MG Wing Zero Ver.Ka for 1499 NTD. They even had armored core kits and plenty of HGs and tools. The second store had most of their MG and HG kits displayed outside. I didn't bother going in since everything was right there. Here we can see the PG Banshee sold for 5,980 NTD and the PGU for 7,200 NTD. Bokata Scale Gug for 880 NTD. Police Zaku for 780 NTD. I also found this MG Shin Musha Gundam. I almost bought it but decided to hold off. But this was sold for 2,200 NTD. At the third and final store, there were even more treasures. Starting with MG P Bandai kits, this was actually the only shop I found that carried such a wide range of P Bandais. They even had a PG Astray blue frame. The HG section was impressive too, with a mix of standard releases and P Bandai exclusives. Their RG selection was solid as well, and at the very top shelves, you'll see the regular release MG kits with discounted prices. From all the stores I visited, this shop definitely had the cheapest price overall. Here I finally made my purchases. First is this HG Police Zaku I bought for 600 NTD. Next is the Full Mechanics Aerial for 1050 NTD. And last was the MG Freedom 2.0 for 1180 NTD. Here's a quick breakdown comparing mall prices to what I paid. I felt like I scored some solid deals. No wonder I had this smile of success. On my last day at Taipei, before heading to the airport, I also checked out Taipei City Mall. Though I wasn't able to film there, it's an underground shopping area directly connected to Taipei main station, making it super convenient. Prices are similar to those at Wan Nian Building, but the big difference is that there are simply more shops to explore. Definitely worth adding to your itinerary. And that wraps up my Gunpla hunting adventure here in Taipei. As a builder from the Philippines, seeing the variety and pricing here was such a cool experience. And I hope this video helps you on your own Gunpla journey. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a fellow Gunpla fan, because more builds and hunts are coming soon.